This is the Cybertruck version 1, which you might have seen from a previous video of mine. I know the second one took a little while, but what can we do about it since even Tesla ain't keeping their promise to deliver these trucks on time. So it's time to make my Tesla Cybertruck Volume 2. We start by making the chassis and suspension, and also lay the electronics in place, since it pretty much remained the same from the last version. So this time around I made sure to make the base stiffer while also making the shockers a bit more sensitive, so it behaves like a proper 4x4 and it clearly reflects on the analysis. The ground clearance also increased from 14.8 to 16.1 mm, which is always welcome. Moving on to the panel work, there was just some scoring required in order to bend the panels in the desired shape. Mirror this and you'll get the other side. And this process can be repeated for various panels. After this done, we can just simply apply the base coat and get it ready. Now in this version 2, I also wanted a pickup system, not just any pickup system, a fully electronic pickup system that you could control from your phone. So it just opens and closes, which brings us to the body work, which is just simply assembling the panels to get the right shape. With that, we can install the mudguards and we should be done. If you've made it this far, do consider subscribing. And now it's ready. To control the Cybertruck, you have an app with which you can move it forward, backwards, left or right. Plus, you can also control how the trunk opens and closes. So this is how it finally turned out, and probably next time I will 3D print the body to make it sturdier and give it a better finish. But that's all for this video, and I really hope you enjoy.